thinking here is we have the ground coming into the ground strap here, so let's take this piece of crapo jumper here. Actually, I could probably use the bigger ones. Yeah, you know what? I think I can. Because this one isn't that great. I just been barely getting by with it. I think, however, it is starting to become a large problem. It really is. I don't normally let myself get overdone with this stuff, but trying to help sometimes is just not the way to go. Alright, now, if this is power, is the other side ground? I don't remember what I grounded or what I didn't ground to that. Let's just put that there for a second. Now, is there anything on over here that I should be aware of? Well, first let's get that out so it doesn't block anything. Okay, so that wire that does have power going to it at this point, or maybe it doesn't because the battery's disconnected. Okay. We don't need power switch on, but we do need battery power. Okay, so nothing here is lighting up. Now there's a green wire up there. You'll see light come through over there, I'm sure. One of them light. So this brown wire, we have to trace this wire. This wire here goes up into here. Let's get rid of that wire tie that's holding all these wires together. I'll put another one on it later. Get rid of this oil can so I can see myself knocking that over. Not that anything's going to happen, other than I'd have to pick it up. Okay, so where does this wire go? And if the black one is hooked up to the ground, the black one appears to be hooked up to the ground. Now let's make sure we got the right one here. Hold on. Okay, so I put a piece of tape on it. Did I mark it? I did. However, it's not holding. Brown, black. It looks like I have searchlight. Well, it's not going to the searchlight. So why isn't it working here? That's what I want to know. So if that goes there, we do have power. Let's make sure we have power. Let's make sure that I have everything connected. I'm not positive. I don't remember where I let off. So let's put this on there. Let's see if this fuse box has any type of power to it. No. Okay, so where do I put this red wire? The red wire. Where are you? Red. There we go. All right, now we have power. If not, we're going to get one. Prices? No. Tech tips. Okay, we'll use that one. Let's take that one out if we can. And put it up here. All right. Now, we have a pen that works. Okay. So we have a twisted brown black. Equals the search. Search/spot. Light. Okay, so that one's that one. So, this one has to get unwound. Unwound, you say? Let's get this piece of tape off of there. That's just going to drive me bonkers. What I'm hoping for here is if I get enough of this off, I won't have to add to it, and I can just run it right over to the fuse box. As long as it doesn't interfere with anything, I'll be a happy camper. And I think if I can feed it up through this hole up here that you may or may not be seeing, probably not. Can you see this? Can you see this? Where I'm touching? Anyway, I'm trying to get this brown and black untwisted enough so that I can get up through there with this brown wire. And then I can run it across inside here, but this will be inside out of the way from everything, to the fuse. I'm hoping it's long enough to do that. Again, I want it to be long enough with a little bit extra, just in case somebody decides to open this up. Because again, I'm really not going to work on this anymore. I'm done, because it takes too much time, takes too much room, and it's just a blooming nightmare to work on. Okay, now, I'm going to make sure I keep it out of the way for the eye movement. So this actually may work. So let's cut this and put a connector on it to see if it does work. Now this is going to end up going to something else actually. But for now, well, you know what? Let me see here. See, we're going to be using this. So, where can I put this so it won't be in the way? And if that's the case, let me get rid of this ground wire for a minute. Because if that's the case, I can also get rid of this ground. Yeah, I bet you. Yep. So we're going to take that off. Let me see. I have a socket. Did I do a socket? Oh, I got more jumpers over here this time. Yay. And a wooden hammer. Yay. And a rubber hammer. Hey. Let's see. Will this work? Yes. Come on, get out of there. Okay. So this one and this one. Now, where can I put that? It'd be great if I could find a home for it that won't get in the way of the eyeballs, but yet within reason here someplace. Pull this one through. Okay, now, where can this box fit? Not there at all. Okay, where else can it fit? I want to keep it up here. It'll eliminate a lot of wire movement if I can do that. Let's see if I put, well, you know what, maybe I can put it here. Would that be in the way from, no, okay. Yeah, okay, let me do that. Hold on a minute, guys. Okay, so this can probably fit right there like that. Now, we do have a little problem. If it blows a fuse, people are not going to know where it is and nor can they get to it. Well, they could if they know where it is. So if I turn it this way, what the hell is this little wire sticking out of here? It's stiff. That's the antenna wire? Being that short? It looks like that somebody cut it off. This is brand new out of the box, so 1, 2, okay, hold on here. Fuse, no, 50 amp. That's made to cover everything, that's why. Standard design, yeah. 13 volt, yeah. 11 volt working, yeah. Fuse 50, remote battery. Oh, it's a 12 volt. Oh, it's a little puppy. The A23. Okay. Low power protection circuit. Okay. And thermal shut off. Remember I was talking about thermal shut-offs with that fan and things? Yeah, they use those quite a bit. Get in there for a minute so it don't fall out. Okay, let me get a hoop-de-hoop. A hoop-de-hoop is big enough to take that wire. Maybe not. But we'll try it. What about this one? I'd rather use the other one, the one I have in my hand. But this is the home phone. Home phone. You have a call on the home phone. Department of Defense, how can I direct your call? And it even tells me who it was. Well, not who it was, but, well, the next time I'll show it to you. Okay. Alright, so let's see. This is the one I want to use. I think this one would just look a lot neater. If I can get it in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good. I don't like using those big yellow ones if I don't have to. The wire size is okay, but if they're not a heat shrink, it can be a pain in the arse. Okay, so this is going to go right here. Just like so. Now I'm going to put you guys back on there. I'm going to put you. And where's my little lock washer? Come on, where'd you go? Where's my little lock washer? I had one there. Now you're going to drive me cuckoo. Cuckoo. Oh, here you are. What are you doing over there? That's kind of stupid. Going way over there. Okay, so that's done. I'll put the net on there. Okay, let's snug that down a little bit so it doesn't vibrate off in the middle of me doing something. There. Okay, so that one's on. So now this one, and this. Now that we have that where we think we need it, I'm going to put this down here, this way. Or should I put it that way? Put it that way. It doesn't make a difference. I got plenty of room either way. Are we going to be able to get to the fuse? Yes. Okay, so that's where that's going to go. So let's get the drill. Drill! Drill! Let's put this right here. Come on, oh, that's the Ryobi. I like them, but they have their little downfalls. But I would buy them again. Okay. Let me get some screws. Okay. Here we are. We're back. Okay, now. What did I just do? Oh, here we are. I said, oh no, I don't need a washer on the top side. Well, I'm going to come from the top down. Probably be better off doing that, which means I am going to need a washer on the top side. I'm not going to need it on the bottom side, though. I don't want to have this part sticking up and out where somebody's going to get hung up on it. Okay. I know I'd drill the hole there someplace, George. There it is. Bigger. And bigger. I had another bit. The other drill around there. I thought I did. Yeah. Hold on, guys. I mean, it was really close. It just, I didn't want to keep reaming it out and then take a chance of ruining the chuck. The chuck. The chuck. This here. Come on. Be nice. There you go. I'll put you on there. But anyway, I used to go around traveling around and doing it. Now, when I did this, I used to, because we're talking about that thermo switch, there's a few things that I made sure that I brought with me because they never did. And I would charge them. Over time, I would say either order it, you have it on the counter back there, you got the test bench, you know, put it there, you know, put it there. They all had a test bench. But I would keep what they call a freeze-it spray or a freezer spray, because sometimes you had to shock a crystal into working. Shocking it meaning spray it with freezer spray, but first you would heat it up with the solder iron, get it hot, wham it with the freezer spray, and it goes, oh shit, I better work. I think this is smaller. Yeah, it is. Let me get a smaller one.